This is about our mission to give meaning to the thousands of children who are deprived of even their basic needs and for whom education is distant dream. If someone is going down the wrong road, he doesn't need motivation to speed him up. What he needs is education to turn him around. These words by famous American author Jim Rohn still inspire some people around. Friends, schools are regarded as one of the basic essentials of a country to progress as they cater to the most vulnerable age group of the society, children. Right from the basics of academics to the values of life, children acquire their first and lasting lesson in schools. But what about those who either cannot afford or for some reasons are kept aside from the shrine of learning? Arpan Society is one such organization that tirelessly works for the betterment of society. It all started in a small village, Samardha in Madhya Pradesh, located at a distance of around 20 km from main city Bhopal. It is where Avantika Vidya Bhavan, a high secondary school, runs under the auspices of Avanti Rehabilitation Program Action Networking Society. The school from last many years is not only serving the educational requisites of Samardha village, but also of nearby regions. Children here come from poor families who are completely deprived of quality education and other personality and skill development training, as there was no school for poor and underprivileged. Families here are too poor to send their children to far-off places for education. The school not only caters to the academic of primary classes to class 10, but also takes care of their nutritional and extra co-curricular needs. The kids who have never been to school before have started learning many things here. They are now eager to learn more and more.
I have joined the Avantika summer classes. Here I have taken the English spoken. Here the teachers and the principal sir is telling everything very good.
I have been appointed as an English teacher to teach the students, and the students are really enjoying this, and many students are joining this, and the participants are really enjoying these activities.
Now when all the schools remain closed during the summer vacations, Avantika Vidya Bhavan kick-started several interesting learning with fun activities under a summer camp. The camp includes some special study classes like that of maths, computers and English, along with some hobby classes like that of mehendi, stitching, cooking, beauty parlor and other vocational training courses that can help the girls become financially independent in future.
हमें यहाँ पे मेहंदी सीखकर बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है और अच्छे से सीख भी गए हैं हम लोग, और हमारे मेहंदी सीखकर हमको आगे हमारे फ्यूचर में काम भी आए.
Knowledge of computers is the necessity of our today. The kids that don't even get the basic academic learning in these kind of far-off villages are learning and operating these machines with precision. Thanks to the school and learned teachers, maybe in future any of them might become a big name in the field.
आजकल कंप्यूटर का युग है और कंप्यूटर का युग आगे भी आने वाला है. ये तो कंप्यूटर सीखना या चलाना आना चाहिए.
समर क्लासेस में कंप्यूटर सीखने आई हूँ अवंतिका विद्या भवन स्कूल में, और यहाँ पे अच्छे से कंप्यूटर सिखाया जा रहा है.
Those whom computers do not interest can hop into hobby classes.
यहाँ पे ये कोर्स सिखाया जा रहा है. ब्यूटी पार्लर कोर्स सीखना हमारी एक हॉबी भी है और जो हमें फ्यूचर में काफ़ी काम आएगा, ताकि हम किसी के ऊपर डिपेंड ना रह सकें.
Dance is an activity that interests all the children. Girls here also learn various types of dances. They learn, sing and dance along with their teacher.
क्लास में बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है, म्यूज़िक सीखने में मज़ा आ रहा है। यहाँ की मैम भी बहुत अच्छे नेचर वाली हैं और मज़ा आ रहा है डांस में हर एक।
Also, cooking is another activity that interests girls. Avantika School provides training in cooking as well. One can learn various type of mouth-watering dishes here under an apt guidance.
हम यहाँ पे कुकिंग सीख रहे हैं। हमारी हॉबी है कुकिंग सीखना और हमें बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है कुकिंग सीख रहे हैं और मैडम बहुत अच्छे तरीके से कुकिंग सिखा रही हैं।
Girls and ladies also learn stitching here in the summer camp.
अवंतिका विद्या मंदिर में समर कैंप में सिलाई सीखने आते हैं। इससे ये फ़ायदा है हमारे लिए कि हम अपने पैरों पर खड़े हो सकते, अपने खुद के कपड़े भी सिल सकते और बाहर वालों के 4 कपड़े सिल के पैसे कमा सकते।
मेरा मकसद ये है कि मैं अगर यहाँ आऊँगी तो सिलाई करके 4 पैसे कमा सकती हूँ, मैं अपने पैरों पर खुद खड़ी हो सकती हूँ और अपना खर्च खुद उठा सकती हूँ।
And all the girls attending the school is an ambitious Archana. Archana is a student of Avantika Vidya Bhavan, and she, in the summer camp, is also learning various activities of her choice. Archana, who is deprived of normal working hands, does not in any ways hold herself back. She performs all the tasks equally and sometimes even the competition to others. Besides the academics, Archana is learning stitching in the school's summer camp. Despite her physiological limitations, she excels in whatever is taught to her. She is very hopeful that in future she can use these teachings professionally and can be an independent girl.
मैंने जब से अवंतिका विद्या भवन में आई हूँ, जब से मैंने पढ़ाई के अलावा सिलाई सीखी है। सिलाई में ब्लाउज सीखा है, फ्रॉक सीखी है, झबला सीखा है। मेरे माँ बाप का सपना है कि मैं पढ़ लिख कर एक अच्छी नौकरी करूं और दूसरों को हेल्प करूं।
Archana is the only daughter to her parents and a sister of 2 big brothers. A doted Archana lives in a small house with her parents. Her father is a farmer and mother stays at home and takes care of the household. Archana does every bit of help her mother in household activities. Right from cutting vegetables to sweeping the floor to make food, she, despite of her unable hand, does hard to assist her parents.
अब बहुत कुछ फर्क है, अब तो बहुत कुछ काम करने लगी हो। क्या कर लेती है? पानी भी भर लेती है, सब्जी भी बना लेती है, रोटी भी थोड़ा कर लेती है।
Archana does not need any assistance in doing her daily chores. She does everything on her own. Like her parents also want her to be independent one day and never seek any kind of help from anybody.
जब से बंदा स्कूल में आई तो पढ़ाई भी करने लगी अच्छी से, सिलाई भी सब मैंने आगे कोशिश पढ़ाई भी कर रही है, सब काम अच्छा करने लगी।
Archana studies on her own and also manages the household jobs by herself. But there is more that is needed.
बर्तन साफ करती हूँ, झाड़ू लगाती हूँ, खाना बनाती हूँ और वगैरह, पानी वगैरह थोड़ा बहुत भरती हूँ। अब हाथ का ऑपरेशन करने के लिए स्कूल से मदद मिले, माँ बाप की हेल्प हो और इतना तो हमारे मम्मी पापा नहीं कर सकते, इसलिए मैं चाहती हूँ कि स्कूल की तरफ से हेल्प।
An enabled body is a gift from the Almighty, but there are some who get deprived of it at an early age. Meet Akash, a young boy, who in a tender age is forced to mere gaze when his friends playing when he cannot. Akash cannot walk properly as he injured his leg badly in an accident.
झूला झूल रहा था तो एक गाय थी हमारे पास, तो वो गाय थी बहुत मरकनी थी, तो वो झूला क्या करा, उसने 2 टांग मतलब ऐसे करके मारी तो ये बच्चा नीचे गिर गया, रस्सी टूट गई और उस घड़ी पे ये बच्चा नीचे गिर गया और गाय पता नहीं इसकी लात धरा गई, क्या हो गया, तो मतलब जब से इसकी ये पैर की हड्डी है ना वो खसक गई।
Akash studies in Avantika school and also goes to the special training classes that are going on in the summer camp. But when it comes to playing and spending a good fun time with his friends, he misses something.
सब लोग बहुत चिल्लाते हैं हमको, तो हमको बहुत दुख होता है, टेंशन लगती है, हमको बहुत गुस्सा आती है।
the small soul manages somehow to perform his daily course. He prays, studies, and goes to school on his own. Akash, who adores her mother a lot, listens to each and everything she tells him to do. But there is more behind that smiling face of his mother.
मैं आकाश को देखती हूँ ना तो मुझको बहुत रोना होता है, क्योंकि मेरे को बहुत दुख होता है। अगर आज मैं हूँ, अगर कल से मैं मर जाऊंगी तो इसका क्या होगा?
In such gloomy circumstances, Avantika School gives some light.
कि पढ़ने लगा हूँ मैं अच्छे से, इंग्लिश भी पढ़ने लगा हूँ थोड़ी थोड़ी। भाई टीचर्स ने सब चीज फ्री कर रखी है सर।
Like every young boy, Akash too has a future dream.
अवंतिका का स्कूल में जब से सर जा रहा है, मेरा बच्चा तो बहुत कुछ सीख रहा है। देखो फीस भी हम गरीब आदमी, हमारी फीस भी नहीं ले रहे हैं। मैडम जी कोई सा फीस नहीं ले रहा है, बहुत अच्छी सुविधा है।
मैं सर वकील बनना चाहता हूँ।
Joseph Addison once said that what sculpture is to a block of marble, education is to the human soul. Such divine is the job of educating a child. As we educate him, we educate a future society. Avantika School does a stellar job in the light of its limited sources and viewing the socio-economic environment. It can be made sure that people coming here in the sacred place of learning will get confident in future and achieve great heights through the learning that are given here, be it academics or vocational. As Sir B.B. King said, the beautiful thing about learning is that no one can take it away from you.